Welcome back, friends, to Surviving the Daily. I hope everyone are surviving well. Today we're going to take a look at a Keyport kit that they sent over for us to take a look at. It's going to contain the Pivot 2.0 key organizer, as well as a whole bunch of other modules, including tools and well, all sorts of cool things. And I'm very excited about this because I have carried the Keyport Mocha Tool on my keychain for a couple of years now, and it's definitely proved itself very invaluable. I can only imagine how well this is going to prove its value. So instead of gassing on about this, let's get straight into what they sent over for us to take a look at. So the first thing we're going to see here is going to be the Keyport Popple X Digital Me Key 2.0. It's a digital business card. I've always wanted one of these, especially one that attaches itself to my keys. That's pretty cool. Next, we'll see the Pivot 2.0. That's the key organizer. We have the NEBA knife. That's going to be an HCR 13 MOV knife. We have the Keyport Pocket Flare 2.0, 90 lumens total. We have a black faceplate. And that's a good example of all the faceplates that they have. They have quite a few of them. We have the brush tool. That's very important to removing the faceplate as well as the modules. And then we have another Mocha Tool. I'm super excited to have another one of those. So let's take a look at the Pivot 2.0 to start off with. And this, you'll see, reward if found. I have yet to set this up. I do need to go to mykeyport.com/ID. So in case I end up losing my keys, somebody can find me using this card here. Or if I don't want to use this, there is a link down in the middle here. I don't know if you can see it, and a serial number. We'll take a better look at that soon enough. So that's the Pivot 2.0 key organizer. So we have the NEBA knife. You can see the module attachment points there. It does come with not the knife itself, but the kit here. The Pocket Flare comes with a USB Type-C charging cable, and this light is pretty darn bright. So we do have the USB Type-C charging port right there, and turn that on. That's low, that's high. Then we have the side light, which is extremely bright. And we do have those attachment points again. I mentioned the faceplate, the Mocha Tool. I'm sorry, not the Mocha Tool, the Rush Tool, and then the Mocha Tool. So now that we have all that, I'm going to start putting this together. Now, they did send a couple sample keys, which I don't really need to use those. I'm not quite worried about anybody trying to get at my stuff. So I'm going to take a couple keys off of this keychain here. So this will hold anywhere between 2 and 8 keys. And you can use a coin to undo this, but I'm going to use a tool. I'm going to hold this side with my finger and just use a flat edge here. And try not to lose any of the parts. So that's going to be a very long screw right there. And then inside here we have 3 spacers. 1, 2, 3. And we have that reward if found, and we have a, what do they call that, that compression, a spring washer, and that is very important to leave in there. So now that we're zoomed in here, you can see exactly what I'm doing, and we're going to start off with the Pivot 2.0 as minimal branding on that one side there and no branding on the other side. And those sides are made out of a 6061 aluminum, and they're both connected by a thick rubber band. And that rubber band has a D-ring on it in case you want to connect a lanyard to it or something. Maybe even a car key, one of those big monster car keys that all newer cars seem to have these days. And then we'll flip this open. I'm being careful not to let this fall. And if you see on the inside, we're going to call attention again to that website, keyport.com/ID, and my serial code right there, a serial number. In case I end up losing this, they can track me down. So first, we have that spring washer, and that's very important for this whole thing to work. We're going to leave that on there. And that is the female pin right there. And we're going to slide the reward if found card. I know it's a little redundant because we have that there, but it does help things move a little smoother. And then next, I'm going to add my keys, my big key here first and my little key. Now they did supply some generic keys for me to use, but I'm not going to use them. Now if I was going to stop with just the 2 keys and no tools, I would have to use the spacers because for that spring washer to work, it has to compress. And we would take these 2 spacers and they would have to rise above that female pin right there, the top of the female pin, and then we would add the male, this side here, then the male pin, crank it down and compress that spring washer. But we don't need to because we have tools that we want to add. Or if we wanted to add a couple extra keys here, up to 8 keys, we would not need those spacers. So first, I'm going to add the rush tool here, and we have, this is kind of like a quick release, so we can slide this off if we wanted to put it in that configuration, or if we put it in the other configuration using that keychain hole, which I'm going to do. This can act as a belt loop clip, and that's what I'm going to use it for. We also have a bottle opener. I did mention that hole there for a keychain. And this right here, this is going to be a combination of a module removal tool as well as a SIM card removal tool. I think that might be small enough for a SIM card. Definitely small enough for one of those old CD-ROMs that if you got the CD stuck, you could stick this in the little hole there. Yes, I'm that old. I remember that. So I'm going to put this on next. And that brings us right on to the top of the female pin. Next, we have the Mocha Tool here. And we have the 2-inch ruler on the side. We have, looking at the card here, a 1/4-inch hex, a 5/16 hex, a 3/8 hex. Bottom here, that's a combination screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, and pry tool. We have a combination rope cutter and box opener. That mine over here has opened many a boxes. And again, we have another bottle opener. And I'm going to put this down very carefully. And last but not least, the Keyport Popple X Me Digital Business Card 2.0. That is a mouthful. I'll put that on very carefully and flop this over. Bring this to the front, and hopefully things will have lined up one off. Hey, look at this. I'm actually going to use this titanium toothpick for once. Sorry if my head's in the way. There we go. Everything is lined up. And now I'm going to use the male pin here. And start screwing that down. And if everything's lined up correctly, that's going to, yep, hey, take a look at that. So I'm going to hold one side with my finger and the other side I'm going to crank down. Now this right here, you can use a penny, but now the pennies are going away. We're going to have to use the old-fashioned screwdrivers. Let me know down in the comments, how do you feel about the penny going away? And I don't know if you can hear that, but we got that ratcheting happening. And we got that clicking sound. That's the spring washer doing this job. So now it's put together. Look at that. There we go. That's pretty awesome. I like that. That is pretty nifty. Take out the other key. That is awesome. Nice and solid. Doesn't rattle. Let's see, let's take out the tools here. Got the Mocha Tool. That's nice. We have the digital business card. And let's take out that rush tool. We can use that as a belt clip. Hanging it off a belt loop. So that is the Keyport Pivot 2.0, but we're not done yet. Still more to go. So we have the Keyport NEBA knife. And these things are nice and easy to attach. Question is, which way do we want to attach it? So just put this on here and it snaps in. And now we have a knife attached to our, that's pretty awesome. Now, I can, because this is a mid module, I can add the faceplate here. And that's attached. Wow, look at that. I am loving this. And then we have the flashlight. That is and before I go any further, that flashlight has some other. So if we press that, that's on low, that's 4 lumens. And press it again, that's 33 lumens. Press it a third time, that is 90 lumens on the side. And that's off. And we press and hold while off, and the front beam will come in on high until released. And if we, while on, press and hold, it'll turn off any mode. That's cool. I love this. This is awesome. So that's going to be the Keyport Pivot 2.0 with the pocket flare attachment, the NEBA knife attachment, as well as a faceplate, the brush tool, this one right here, the Mocha Tool, my first love, my first Keyport love, and then the Keyport digital business card. So I want to thank Keyport for sending this out to the channel. This is awesome. This is fun. I greatly appreciate it. And if I've yet to mention it, I am a newly minted Keyport affiliate, and I will leave an affiliate link down in the description for you to take a look at this if you are at all interested. These are not the only tools and modules that they have for this here. They have a whole bunch of them, a whole bunch of faceplates, different colors, different tools. It's amazing how much you can customize this here. You're only really limited by your imagination. So if you're at all interested in supporting this channel, the best thing you can do is hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and comment down below. And as always, I hope you're having an amazing day, and I'll see you next time.